Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus SQL. We'll explore their core functionalities and help you decide which tool best suits your data needs. Excel is fantastic for smaller datasets and quick calculations, offering a visual interface. SQL, on the other hand, excels with large, complex datasets, providing powerful querying capabilities. Understanding their differences is key to efficient data management. Excel shines when you need a straightforward tool for data. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to input data, perform basic arithmetic, and create compelling charts. For instance, you can quickly track a budget of $5,000 or analyze sales figures for a small team. It's perfect for ad hoc analysis and presenting data visually without needing complex coding. SQL is the powerhouse for large-scale data operations. Imagine managing customer records for a company with over 1 million clients. SQL handles this with ease. It's built for robust data storage, ensuring accuracy and allowing multiple users to access and modify data simultaneously without conflicts. You can write complex queries to extract specific insights, making it indispensable for data professionals. So, when should you pick Excel versus SQL? If your data fits comfortably on a few spreadsheets and you need quick visual insights, Excel is your go-to. However, for extensive databases, ensuring data integrity and complex automated reporting, SQL is the clear winner. Many professionals even use both, leveraging Excel for front-end analysis of data extracted by SQL. Check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.